In this video, you'll learn how the Instagram algorithm works, Instagram's top 3 ranking signals, 5 myths about the Instagram algorithm, and how to make the Instagram algorithm work in your favor. Let's get started. Instagram's primary goal is to maximize the time users spend on the platform, because the longer users linger, the more ads they see. So directly or indirectly, accounts that help Instagram achieve these goals are rewarded. So here's the Instagram top 3 ranking signals. 1. Relationship. If a person often leaves comments on your posts, or if they have notifications enabled for your account, or you DM each other, or you tag each other in your posts, then the algorithm recognizes the two of you are close. 2. Interests. The algorithm also predicts what posts are important to users based on their past behavior. This potentially includes the use of machine vision, aka image recognition, technology to access the content of a photo. And 3. Timelessness. For brands, a timelessness or recency ranking signal means that paying attention to your audience's behavior and posting when they are online is key. Now here are some Instagram algorithm things to consider. 1 is frequency of use. This depends on how often a user opens the app. The algorithm aims to show users the best and most popular posts since they last looked at their feed. 2. Following count. If a user follows a lot of accounts, they'll probably see fewer posts from any one specific account, even if that account is prolific, but they'll see a wider breadth of posts overall. On the other hand, if they follow a smaller number of accounts, they'll likely see more of each account's posts. 3. Usage, also known as session time. A user who spends 45 minutes on Instagram will go deeper into the back catalog and see more posts, by which we mean understanding posts, than a user who scans for 5 minutes and catches only the greatest hits. Now the 5 myths about the Instagram algorithm. 1. Reverse chronological order is not coming back. 2. There is no shadow ban. 3. The reach cap is fake news as well. 4. Using stories or going live won't make the algorithm like you more. And 5. Verified users don't get special treatment and neither do business accounts. Seven tips to make your Instagram algorithm work in your favor. The first one is post more often. It used to be that it was risky to post on Instagram more than once a day. You don't want to be that brand, but since the algorithm automatically breaks up multiple photos to diversify what people see, your audience may not even consciously register the increase. And if you're posting great content, they'll probably like it. 2. Post video. Now, posting videos, whether live, as a story, or on IGTV, will increase the time your audience spends with each post, which can lead to increased engagement. 3. Post when your audience is looking. The algorithm favors recent posts. Brands need to pay attention to their audience, or whether or not their audience is online. 4. Be personable. Write compelling captions to drive engagement. Chat with people in the comments, ask questions, like other people's posts, and comments on them. Simple but effective. 5. Use hashtags well. Hashtag misuse is a great way to make your brand look desperate and slimy. Yes, even if you hide them under the fold, they will see that. Instead, use hashtags in good faith, like a librarian would use them. First, to genuinely clarify what your post is about, and second, to do your part to help organize the data torrent for your audience. 6. Run a contest for a quick boost. A simple giveaway that features your flagship product or service may well cement you in the audience's good graces, grow your followers, and lift your engagement to the point where the algorithm can't help but take notice. 7. Encourage people to turn on notifications. When done the right way, basically reminding people casually, this is one day to impress the algorithm with your brand's importance to your community. People who have notifications turned on will not only be more likely to engage with your posts, they'll also see more content from you overall. And 8. Make your posts truly incredible. So if your skills and engagements have plateaued, it's time to try something different. Why not hire a professional photographer and see what you can learn, or download some new tools and learn to edit photos like a professional. Using these ideas will help you make the Instagram algorithm work for you. Now, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Hope you have a fantastic day and have fun.